News nobody's talking about. Back in June, after the solar panel industry spent millions on lobbying, the Biden administration quietly paused tariffs on solar panels imported from Cambodia, Malaysia, Thailand, and Vietnam. It's important to note that the tariffs still apply to China. Fast forward to today, solar panel stocks have been absolutely rallying, with companies like First Solar up almost 200% since the pause was announced. But here's the catch. The Department of Commerce just announced that multiple companies have been buying Chinese-made solar panels, and they've been sending them to countries that have the tariffs removed, then sending them to the United States. Other than tax evasion, the reason that this is such a big deal is because the main material used to make solar panels is called polysilicon. And China gets its polysilicon from a province called Xinjiang, which happens to be the same place where Uyghur forced labor camps are located, a place where the US bans imports for this very reason. Additionally, the refining process for polysilicon involves heating it up to 1000 degrees Celsius, and this province, one of the largest consumers of coal per capita, are using it to produce polysilicon. Now, other than all the human rights, environmental, and maritime laws being broken by these companies, the reason I'm telling you this is because soon the Commerce Department is going to finalize a report. And if their early theory they announced today still holds water, there's no doubt that they'll recommend to the Biden administration to reimpose these tariffs on the industry, which would bring a quick end to the stock rally that the solar panel companies have been enjoying so far. Until then, check out my website to see if lawmakers are buying or selling solar stocks ahead of the announcement, and thanks for watching.